Let's bring in NBC 10's Manash Gungwari. He's live in the newsroom for us.
Manash, many Bay Staters looking for ways to help. How can people start there?
Well, it begins with the organizations that are mobilizing right now, getting people ready to travel if they haven't already. We caught up with some leaders from the Salvation Army and the American Red Cross. I can tell you that members from the Red Cross are actually on the way to that destruction right now. They will spend the next few days and potentially weeks assisting evacuees who are right now in shelters and family assistance centers. The Salvation Army, meanwhile, has a team already in California. But leaders here tell us they have more people here on standby, and it's entirely possible they will be sent out soon. Because for them, this is a long-term effort. They plan to help with case management and then afterwards rebuilding and even providing furniture for those that, when you look at these images, have clearly lost a lot.
Some of the typical disasters that we respond to would be hurricanes, and we have a little, they come quickly, but we have warning. And this one was, I woke up yesterday morning, not even, I went to bed the night before and didn't even know about it, and woke up the next morning and it was whole neighborhoods had already gone up in flames.
Roughly 200,000 people have been ordered to evacuate, and at least 10,000 buildings, we're talking homes and businesses, have been destroyed in these flames. Back to you, Mel.
Yeah, Manash, look, knowing folks are out there headed to Southern California to help those in need is encouraging.
Yeah, it certainly is. And what can people do if they're watching from home that doesn't include flying out there themselves?
Yeah.
Well, it begins with opening up the pocketbook. The Los Angeles Fire Department Foundation, the Ventura County Community Foundation are asking for anyone that can donate to their respective emergency funds to donate. Meanwhile, the American Cross is, of course, asking for monetary donations as well, but also asking for anyone that can give blood to try to. And the World Central Kitchen is also taking donations to help feed people. But we, of course, have all of this information attached to this QR code. It's on your screen right now. Take out your smartphone and just aim it at this image. Right now, though, we're live here in the newsroom. Manash Gungwari, NBC 10 Boston.